At finally po, ang aking carrot cake ay natapos na rin. Yun, ready now for the Christmas. Hey everyone! Christmas is over and New Year is coming. So I think it's never too late to share my carrot cake recipe. Medyo late ko nang ma-share sa inyo ito. Actually, I prepared this during the Christmas. But medyo busy talaga ang preparations and uploading some important videos as well and editing, kaya ngayon ko lang po ma-share sa inyo. But still, I hope makatulong naman sa inyo to. This baking vlog is all about the carrot cake. Okay? So I'm sure marami kayong version nito, but this version of mine is from, of course, my good friend, executive chef on my current company. And you know who you are. Thank you very much for sharing this recipe. And this is just very easy to follow. And hopefully po, you will enjoy while watching this video. Okay? So maraming salamat po. And here are the ingredients and the processes. In a mixing bowl po, first po nating i-mix dito ang ating 255 grams sugar. Then, ang atin pong 3 eggs. And, ang ating 234.5 ml corn oil. Then, i-mix po natin sila until the sugar will be dissolved. After po na ma-dissolve ang ating sugar, then, we will add po ang ating 300 grams grated carrots. So, make sure po yung carrots natin ay very dry na po. Without water. So, napaka-importante po yan. So, i-add natin dito. Then, we will mix. Okay? So, i-mix natin thoroughly. So, while mixing po yung ating grated carrots and the other mixture, in a separate bowl, i-mix po natin ang ating remaining dry ingredients. Okay? First po, ito pong ating 234.5 grams flour. Tapos po, ang ating 75 grams almond powder. Ang ating 15 grams, ito po, baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 7.5 grams baking powder. Yan. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Then, hahaluin lang po natin ng mabuti. Okay, at ngayon, we will mix na po yung ating mga dry ingredients together with the grated carrots. Then we will mix it nicely until maabot natin yung shine na kailanganin natin to say that it's already ready. Okay po. So, if nakita nyo po, medyo shiny na siya. So ito po yung indicator natin na pwede na po siyang ilagay natin sa ating cake mold. So ang gamit ko pong cake mold is a round shape, and mayroon po siyang diameter dito sa taas na around 10 inches, at ang kanyang depth po is around 1.5 inches. So yan po ang gagamitin ko dito ngayon for our carrot cake. At kung nakikita nyo, nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting butter, okay, para hindi siya didikit mamaya. So we can now put our mixture sa ating cake mold. Okay po. So yan. See, so far medyo even na siya. So in this recipe po, dalawang round cake mold po ang nagawa ko. Yung pangalawa is nasa kalahati lamang. So ngayon po, ready na ang ating oven. So naipasok na natin yung ating cake, and we will set 175 degrees. This is for 35 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, ready na po ang ating carrot cake. Yan. So ngayon, gawin ko tong dalawang layer, itong ating carrot cake, para yung dalawa magagamit natin. But lagyan ko ng filling dito. So ang ilalagay ko in between, before ko ilalagay dito yung isa, is buttercream po. So ito po ang gagamitin ko mga filling, at the same time gagamitin ko icing sa gilid. So now, ito yung isang layer kanina na na-bake natin. Ilalagay ko na dito sa top. Yan. So now, let's start na po na lagyan siya ng buttercream. At ayan na po. Kung nakikita nyo, nalagyan na natin ng buttercream. And after po nito, didesignan na natin ang mga edges at yung naka-plan ko na design. Ngayon, we will decorate now the cake. So, we'll see anong outcome nito. Finally po, ang ating carrot cake ay natapos na rin. So, it's a very simple lettering lang and the decoration. Ang importante dito, I hope may natutunan kayo on how to make your own homemade carrot cake.